Chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo kiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo kire kurwase kire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri ry'abantu abati mwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use kire chibyasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucyuri go musongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
de omwanchi umurigirire Getembe TV itarike ya mo asumutenyo yega Ikomi mwaka chiribubere 2025 karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ichiabona muragoba kirondo tinga nigo chabere Chinsa cyo gusanga ali to kwariganire ase meza yetu anamuno kuroiga serugungura gusina boyo korwa ase serikali enene nchenkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa vene nyawoke na ase ensemo yebimanyero na nekirongo chaka nigongo chaka kurase ebunge ye Senate bono litukuria rero umwaziri bwechisemi umboske Julius Amigose ogamba anyara kukwanira ebitambukiro biri eserikali yabirige koimokia irikwanekia buna amasomo ase ebirengo bya junior secondary school ose junior schools aigasensi ya Kenya anyare kogendera asinchira engi kiranu kigima ka ukwana na abaseneta nigo atebanga igati ebitambukiro ebyo byabire bikoimokiwa ngamo na borokia koegwa amegerio ayo kwaneke buna naikiranete ne kerengo gya CBC nabo gokwaga akwebirasi ebinge na ayande amange ase Chinsa mecho.
The government is retooling all the teachers engaged in junior school on pedagogy and content. All teachers in junior school have been retooled to fully equip them with the necessary pedagogical skills to handle the new learning areas in junior school curriculum. The government has adopted a targeted recruitment and deployment approach that accords priority to the needy areas of learning. In the latest recruitment exercise, deployment programs, teachers of science, mathematics, and technical subjects were given priority to bridge the shortage of teachers in the said learning areas. This has gradually addressed the shortage of teachers in the sciences, in the technical, mathematical, and languages in junior school. The measures that the ministry has taken, Mr. Speaker, the government, through the Teacher Service Commission, has put in place the necessary administrative structures to ensure that teachers deployed to teach in junior school are allocated workloads based on their areas of specialization as well as the staffing norms of the junior school. All teachers deployed in junior school have well-defined job description outlining their teaching and co-curricular activities. Part C of that question, Mr. Speaker, as I've already indicated, this is becoming an indication from the previous answers that I was given, because this was going to be the third or fourth question. But the government has constructed 23,000 classrooms and has taken all deliberate steps to increase infrastructure to create an enabling learning environment in our junior schools. This includes the construction of 23 classrooms that have been constructed in order to take care of grade 9. The goal is to ensure that as more resources become available, we progressively enhance the infrastructure in our junior schools in terms of science and ICT labs, as well as workshops. Currently, Mr. Speaker, junior schools that do not have purpose-built laboratories have dedicated rooms that have been equipped to support practical components of the learning areas.
Na chingaki chicho nigo umwaziri ogamba bono anyari gukwanira umugiro obwa borokia abeti university che serikali aiga sensi ya Kenya kuse lecturers oyibono onye obeire koba gokugendera wikase ewiki ya gatatu nigo bono atebire buna korengana ne wizara yechisemi na boigo kuiwana na aborokia abo nigo bono SCBA kuso kuiwana ku mwaka 2017 wika 2021 na boigo 2021 wika 2025 na boigo kuru mwaka wika 2025 gocha 2029 bono na chichabire chikoleta obututukano egati ya serikali na boigo aborokia abo nekiratebire serikali negendete kubika umukia kwene kiabuna SCBA yo yanyare koba kegokorerwa emirimo.
The lecturers are on strike precisely because of three different issues arising from three different CBAs. The first issue was the CBA of 2021-2025, for which they went on strike last year, and we had a negotiation and a return to work formula. Under that return to work formula, in the year 2024-25, 4.3 billion was supposed to be paid to them to cover months to June 2025. That 4.3 billion was paid. The next amount that was to be paid was 2.73 billion for the financial year 25-26, and this was supposed to be paid in July 2025. That is the amount that delayed, and because of that delay, they issued a strike notice. 2 days into that notice, the 2.73 billion was paid. Under the 2021-25 CBA, the balance of 2.73 billion is to be paid in June 2026. So far as the CBA for 2021-2025 is concerned, the issues have been addressed. The second issue that they raised in order for them to issue that strike was on the CBA of 2017-2021. Under that CBA, they argue that there was an amount of 24 million. So there is a question of how much is outstanding between what the unions are asking for and what the government is saying is owed. So because of that, the teams went to court, and the court ordered that the strike be injected, and they go to a conciliator and have this amount verified, after which the settlement of it can be agreed on.
Na Obaigwa murai wensi muske William Ruto ni gobono litikuria rero mambia anyara kubeka ligina ryo kwanekia kose ryo guchakigwa kwa magacho ayo arachikoba NCMAMO yo koenana kose yo kwanchira abakenya na Obaigwa bonjore kurwa Chinsa chinde korokia ebintu byonsi biri bakonia ase Chinsa mecho ayega nigakorekana ase Chinsa mocha Jamhuri Showground eyo gotoka ime ye county ya Nairobi nekirateba ine nchire yemo yo kwanekia buna abonjore banyare konyora echiro wetera ase okorokia gusokubeka morokio yebintu biri bakoni gochia Chinsa chesko na Obaigwa no nyabonchoreria kurwa Chinsa chinde korokia biri baganetie kusekwenyora biri baganetie kugura kurwa ase abakenya nigateba ekirenga kia magachayo no guchokone kibuna yanyare kogaria echiro na Obaigwa kine obonchoreria aiga asense ya Kenya.
I'm very happy this morning to join our friends here who have demonstrated confidence in the economy of our country, the investment environment in our nation. And today we are witnessing the construction of an exhibition facility for manufactured goods from Kenya, for products from China, and it is going to be a blend between products that will be manufactured in our special economic zones in Kenya. There will be an exhibition for those products here for other markets. There will also be an exhibition for other products from other parts of the world. Congratulations to you. You have the support of the Republic of Kenya. Special Economic Zones Authority is going to work with you to guide you on the steps to make sure that this facility underwrites the exports that we want to make to other destinations, including China. We have just concluded agreement with the government of China, with the African continent, on elimination of tariffs on all our agricultural products, from tea to coffee to avocados to macadamia and all the other products. And this facility is going to support the export of those products now that tariffs have been removed on those products. We are going to expand the reach of our market on products manufactured in Kenya and produced in Kenya. They have assured me that KTDA and Coffee Board will specifically have facilities here to make sure that we brand our coffee and tea and we market them globally, including to the Chinese market.
So yobwanguika kumubolia kose kubolia buna omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nabonete koegwa esiko asinchira yabene Oigo nigo aboliri omo nachibi na omokoro omoske David Maraga anyale gutigirira libaga kose banyale gwikaransa na gukwana na Matiang'i buna inchira barachi koneke buna bakwanire ase kose babere ase ensemo yemo
kubwanjire gendo gwatwarire etako nabo gatebya abantu baminto nintagete Maraga gatebira natagete amarangi na Matiang'i nero gatebira natagete lakini ndasokuliga litanyara ng'abantu ebagite kuliga musike Matiang'i inchwango okonye Kenya kwaro cy'abana ba Genzi muna bachite bari gukurana nayo gocha okonye Kenya ito nonye bari metibure muna bari metibure na Maraga nere gatebira nere abantu ba matebira once na waito once na baya lakini rende muno mugusika rwo gwake sabe nabo tokoteba ng'aki oyomo asa koboria nabera ora kibichengi yanga abantu aba mbabwate okwanirana no koigwana kore raisi ekara abantu bararore abana abo mukorwanire egente eke na babatanga abantu abarende igomba manyete egente bakori ekina gukira tuite muno mugusi are goteba ngarende abana abamo mwarorire eganga yaito no koriyo burayi eganga yaito ke abero koriyo burayi nanda abantu abange baguru cyase mu mwaka matiani umusike maraga ne no yo minta no miyana namanyete ngiki toko genda ne na bale goitabote aitabote tari magoasa akara itirabote abwate siri oyo mwa matiani na keki te kobora keki ya Kenya te koera ne na barate bimu kinae ndire bwata nae kikucha yarangwa to bwatse sese kerenga bie itiru kase abantu bagosanga no yo mukoye abantu bose no bakoye igo na kitwara tabanga kioro kareye kyo no kere igo lakini no mugusindo de tokwanirane tora kebicha yamo engiya naende tutakora tigo amagana aja kosoka amange ngaya oya gotumio na nyarebe oya gotumio kosaririo yo ekigo chiko egatarigo chiko ekigo chwata no mugusi anekera to bobisa na ina ara to kosaba ngata baisa toka sensa
Mwanzo morigere na sorobotio no to korera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba kolende ayona yanda mange nyora senchera ingikirano kekemo kekoraga Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa inye cha rero maragoba nguruko Matildah Obaigwa na veni nyaboke kora sebe manyerera kora ase studio ya kabere nere Mike Wills korende ne kirongo kopolia to basaguska kenda gutigara ime ya Getembe TV ikiagera asigika egeke no nyore umurobelio obwekerorano to basaguska
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentere nigwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boyigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone